Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, please open the settings menu. And then here you can scroll down. After that, you can just tap battery option. After that, here you can scroll down again. And then here will appear many draining apps on your device. And you can check it by pressing on the app like this. And then here will be shown usage details of the application. Well, that's the tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.